Switzerland is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe, and it's also one of the most organized when it comes to visas. But that doesn't mean the process is complicated if you understand what they're actually looking for. Welcome back to the Visa Guide. In today's video, we'll help you understand how the Switzerland tourist visa application works from the UAE, what documents you need, how the application process works, and a few important professional tips that can help you apply correctly. Let's get started. A Swiss visa comes under Schengen category. This means you may visit other Schengen countries as well, but your trip should be planned in such a way that Switzerland is your main destination and first entry point. Now let's get into the documents required. You'll first need your bank statements for the last 3 months, and this statement must be stamped by the bank. This is used to assess whether your finances reasonably support your travel plan. Next comes the no objection certificate from your employer. This should be an original document on your company letterhead, signed and stamped, clearly stating your designation, salary, date of joining, and approved leave for your travel period. You will also need travel insurance, which is mandatory. The insurance must be valid for your entire trip and should cover all Schengen countries, not just Switzerland. In addition to this, a valid trade license is mandatory. Also, your passport must have been issued within the last 10 years, should have at least 2 blank pages, and must remain valid for at least 3 months after your return from the Schengen area. Copies of your passport identity page and previous visas should be included. Along with this, a copy of your UAE residence visa and Emirates ID valid for 3 months from your return date are required. Lastly, you'll need a recent passport size photograph with a white background measuring 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters, taken according to Schengen specifications. Now let's talk about how the application actually moves forward. Once all your documents are ready, the application form is completed and submitted. An appointment is scheduled at the Visa Application Center in the UAE. On the day of your appointment, you'll visit the center in person with your documents. During this visit, your paperwork will be reviewed and your biometrics, including the fingerprints and a photograph, will be collected if required. After submission, your application is forwarded to the Swiss authorities for assessment. During this stage, the embassy may take some time to review your application, and in certain cases, they may request additional documents. Once the evaluation is completed, a decision is made and your passport is returned with visa result. Make sure your application clearly reflects your strong ties to the UAE, such as stable employment and residence, as this helps the embassy feel confident that you will return after your trip. Having a good travel history can also strengthen your application. If you have traveled previously and complied with visa rules, it helps build trust with the embassy. Wherever possible, submit additional supporting documents that clearly explain your travel plan, such as a simple itinerary or accommodation details, as long as everything is genuine and consistent. Consistency across documents is extremely important. Your dates, personal details, and employment information should match throughout the application. And finally, avoid submitting incorrect or altered documents. A transparent and well-prepared application always has a higher chance of approval. Most Switzerland visa refusals are usually due to weak documentation, unclear travel intent, or inconsistencies in the application. In many cases, these issues are avoidable with proper preparation. If you are planning a trip to Switzerland and would like professional assistance with your tourist visa application from the UAE, our team at the Visa Guide will be happy to guide you through the entire process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more country-wise visa guides. We'll see you in the next video.